What's going on, everybody? It is Jamie and welcome to the channel Thrift on Fire. This past Saturday, me and my wife hit some yard sales in Port Rowan, Ontario. It was a pretty good morning. We found some good stuff. So basically, this video will mostly be that, but just prior to that, I mentioned in the last video that I broke my GoPro Hero 7. It was time for a new one. So I spent about $600 on that. So basically, we're trying to offset the cost of the GoPro. Did I do it in a Saturday morning? Let's take a look. Okay, yeah. $10.
I don't know which ones are you.
I think they're all okay for that.
I think so too.
Hey there. You don't have any charge cables, do you?
There actually is one.
Is there one?
If you want to buy them all, you can just get it for free.
Yeah, sure.
You play PS3 games on the PS5?
Some of them are
Only
backwards
the
compatible.
4s, right? Well, ours is backwards compatible.
Yeah, I don't think any of those are super duper games. These are good though. This would be okay, but
Thank you.
great, thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Just so you know where to charge.
Grab the $2. I think I got a toonie. I think so. I'll check it out in a second. Okay, this is somebody for this.
No.
Is this your phone?
No, but I can take the money for it.
Okay, thanks.
Hey, another one.
Yeah.
This is a welcome.
Okay.
No, so out of my money.
2018.
Do you need some change?
Yep, like $2, I think.
Is it $2?
Yeah. That would be good. I'm trying to train him to go back behind us, but I don't know how that's going to work either.
There you go.
Thank you.
Enjoy. Thank you.
See the little kitty pillow?
I see a radio arm saw, but I'm looking for a chainsaw. And I
So
don't see
cute.
one.
Kyrie's.
I don't know whether it was like a store display or a salesman's display or something like that. Oh, okay.
$5 okay for that?
Sure.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you. Okay. We should probably make margaritas with this.
What a great idea.
I don't know the first thing about it though. Says release. I don't know if there's supposed to be more attachments than that, but regardless,
I think that's a great deal.
$10.
It's a great brand.
Yeah. It's a VCR over there.
Can we take that? You
sure.
can go look at a VCR.
Awesome. Look at these shoes. Jordans.
Probably warm place.
Oh yeah.
I quit buying them shoes after that price.
Yeah. Yeah, I don't blame you.
I just said that to Pam and scrub it all
Sure. I need your all 5 or all 3. 25. Captain America. Hey, is it the complete series? That's good. Is there a price on it?
No.
We'll just kind of look quick here. Here, help me.
They're brand new. What happened was I bought the set.
Yep.
One of the DVDs wasn't working right, so I took the whole set back, and they give me another set.
Oh,
Okay.
I
okay.
had to open it.
Oh.
It had to be open. So this set has never been used.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
And they're all there, right?
Yep.
What are you asking for it?
Um.
I don't think I got a price on it.
Oh, okay. You know what? I'll take $30 for the set.
Yep.
Was a good show.
Yeah, it was a good show.
Good show.
So was Sons of Anarchy, right? I bought that set, and it came in like a box that looked like their table.
Oh, yeah.
That'd be cool.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
My son took it.
Hey, there's the Randall doll.
It is the Randall doll. I was thinking you could sell mine.
Oh. Okay, I definitely want this one. The Vlad one?
Cool. We don't have prices, we don't need to list them.
I don't know. Yeah, it could be scary. What else do we got? Another Vladdy. Do you know what you want for your bobbleheads? $10? Yeah. Okay.
They might be worth something someday, the Vladdy ones, eh? I don't know.
Oh, not the way he's playing, but I
Not
mean,
this year, right?
Yeah, here, grab these
Yep.
two for sure.
How much for your capes?
Bud, how much do you want for your cakes?
$10. Manoa. So belts you want? Oh,
your
we'll have to
capes?
get a Springer.
Take them all for $2. Stop it. Take them all.
Which Vladdy would you rather have?
Just pick one you like.
Both of them? That's a good answer.
All right.
There you go.
All right. Well, I'm
you
gonna
go.
definitely
There you go. Well, see, this stuff's so specific, right?
Well,
That it's.
yeah.
Hey, look, there's the mirror, the whole. She's got the whole setup
Yeah,
for
I'm
her.
Zombie guy?
She's done from home now.
Done. Completely. She's.
This is Scotty's daughter, Bonnie, right?
Yeah, that's been there.
Vigio?
I don't know her, but
Yeah.
a lot of,
Alright.
I do hear from home a lot of people are.
Yeah. Yeah.
Snoopy?
That was cute.
That is cute.
Just buy them all.
Yeah.
The pineapple one.
I
Pina.
know.
I know.
I know, I
I'm
like
so.
him.
I was kind of sad we got rid of him. He's doing well this year.
He's doing really good.
I know, right? You know who else
Say
I'm sad we
Oscar.
got rid of?
Who's that?
Tapia. Like, why the
Oh,
hell
yeah.
did we trade Tapia?
Well, they
He's
didn't.
on fire for Boston this
Yeah,
year.
and they didn't pay him very much compared to most people.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we grab. Okay, so $40, right? Or how many I got?
There,
One,
yep.
250, I guess, right?
Perfect.
Sorry.
I got change for you if you need.
I think I might actually have it here.
Awesome. Thank you.
Cool. Yeah, thank you. I'm gonna grab a couple more of these. Oh no, this body looks like it actually sells for $60, so it'll make mine free. Hey Oscar, Silver Slugger.
Are you getting another one?
I think I might get the other Vlad one, yeah.
Is that if I can carry it, then I get Stop it. How mean is that? Do you need some help?
I don't think I should.
Okay. What? Hannah took the booster seat. Are you looking them up on eBay?
Well, those ones are for me. This one probably eBay.
Yeah,
And then
do it.
I was trying to
I just
think.
don't have the time.
Yeah.
You want to look at it?
Yeah. Can you open that one? I don't know what the. Okay.
The little flag.
What's that? Okay. I might grab that too then. Another.
Vaughn, what do you want for your rolly cart? $10?
Got another
3?
3.
You know what the bolt pattern on the rims is?
Yeah.
What?
Pattern.
What bolt pattern? I have no idea. 3 or 4? 3.
3. Yeah.
Thank you. You taking the mirror?
Yeah.
There we go.
Thank
Got
you.
Too many things going on.
Yeah, it's all right. Awesome. Thank you.
You're welcome. Have fun with them.
Definitely. Thanks. So yeah, I got another Vladdy home run counter. They look like they sell pretty good. I'll figure out what I'm gonna keep. But they went back and got the Teoscar, and then I got the Snoopy as well. Some of them will be for me. So we did pretty good at the yard sales. I have some cheat notes here. If we exclude the bobbleheads, so let's just start with just the inventory, like the DS's, the phone, all that kind of stuff. I spent $64 on all that stuff, and it looks like there's an estimated value of about $545. So already we're pretty close to $600. Obviously, we have to subtract fees and all that kind of stuff as well. But still, that's a pretty good start. Now, when we get into the bobbleheads, just gonna flip my notes here. The first run I picked up Vladdy, the home run Vladdy, the regular victory Vladdy, Alec Manoah, GS would have been George Springer, and then Kevin Biggio. Just those ones right there I paid $50 for. There's an estimated value of about $270 just on those bobbleheads. And then I did a second pass, right? When I went back, I picked up a second Vladdy home run, Teoscar Hernandez, the Peanuts one. Really surprised how much that was worth. For those I picked up for $30, $10 a piece again, $225. So that's a pretty good chunk of money right there. And I don't really know exactly which ones I'm going to keep. But if we take all of that and add it together, it's about 10,000, or sorry, 10,000. Wouldn't that be nice? About $1,040. If we subtract, the cost of goods, that leaves us with about $846 minus fees. Okay, so I'm obviously taking away cost of goods there. So there's still going to be fees associated. So did I hit my goal? Absolutely. Do I think I'm going to wind up keeping some of the bobbleheads? Probably, I'll keep the ones that I want, sell the other ones, and then if at some point I want to sell more, I will. So let's talk about what I missed for a minute. If you go back to the very first yard sale was where I picked up all the Nintendos, $10 a piece. I think on the side of the table, there was a brand new unboxed American Girl. I'm pretty sure that's what that was. I could be wrong. Go back, take a look. Let me know what you think that is. Probably was only $10 or so, and it could have been worth a good chunk of money. I think I really missed out on that. And I had my eyes on the prize. I was looking at the Nintendos. I was worried about that. I should have looked around more. Truth be told, we already went to that yard sale first thing in the morning. They put more stuff out because it was a community sale. We went back, looked again. So I figured I already looked at all this stuff. I'm not too worried about it. And I think I missed out there. The other thing was there was all the other Blue Jays bobbleheads and giveaways. I think the bags and stuff, maybe not huge to miss out on those. But the other bobbleheads on the table, I kind of looked them up. So Randall doll, I already own that one, so I didn't want it. It really doesn't have any value because he's not a current player. Probably holds some value, but it isn't really probably worth picking up. What else do we have? The bags, I said I don't know, sorry. The Matt Cain, I don't really know much about him, but it was a perfect game bobblehead. It was worth about $30, so I could have made a couple dollars there. The zombie bobblehead, looks like that one was worth about $25. The Pina Power, I kind of thought I wanted that same thing. I just thought, he's not a J anymore. He's doing really good. I can let that one go. I don't need all of these, but it was worth about 55 bucks. Was the last sold comp I could find. Now here's the one I really missed out on, the Hello Kitty one. Now I'm kind of glad I didn't pick it up, because after, you guys didn't see it, but after a little girl came back up and bought it, and her, you know, they're like, oh, I hope it's still there. She obviously wanted it. They went and got money, and I would have felt bad. I probably would have just gave it to her if I did buy it, and she, you know, and she was there. But regardless, that thing, the last sold comp I can find is $120. There's another 5 listed for closer to $180 to $200. And I just thought, I don't know, Hello Kitty, really? Who's gonna want that? But I should have knew better. Hello Kitty stuff is definitely collectible. Missed out huge on that one. The Spider-Man as well, that one was about 40 bucks. And then I left the other Teoscar Hernandez. So that was another 45 bucks I missed out on. So in total, I probably missed out on another $315 right there, just because, you know, I was thinking about myself. I was really worried about what bobbleheads I wanted. And then when I thought about picking up more, I don't know, I sort of missed the boat on that one. If you want to be entered in on the t-shirt giveaway, I'm going to do that at the end of the month. You can go back, watch the video, or just comment on the video for the giveaway, if the last thing or the first thing you've ever sold on eBay, or maybe, you know, if you're a new seller, the first thing you ever listed on eBay that hasn't sold yet. Either way, you have a chance to win. So if you guys do like videos like this, give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please consider subscribing for more content. Till next time, take care, stay safe. We'll see you soon. Bye-bye.